Hey guys, Lusion Designs here, and today I'll be showing you a Photoshop tutorial on how to do a glowing line effect. You'll want to open up Photoshop. Here's some of my previous work. I used an image of Spider-Man. As you can see, the effect is around his hands on both sides. But to get started, you want to open up a picture. I'm going to use another one of Spider-Man. Click on your brush tool. I'm going to choose 7 pixels, 100% hardness, mode normal, opacity 100. Want to click on window, choose brush, select shape dynamics, make sure for control pen pressure is selected and smoothing is selected also. Then I want to create a new layer, make sure that layer is selected. Then click on the pen tool, make sure path is also selected. Now when you left click, that's where your line is going to start, but when you choose a second position of the line, don't let go, just keep dragging until you get a nice curve and just keep continuing doing that. Okay, so once you're done, you want to right click on the end of a line, just select stroke path, make sure brush and simulate pressure is chosen, then click OK. Now right click that line again and choose delete path. Now what you're going to want to do is open the blending options for layer 1, select outer glow, make the blend mode screen, opacity 100, color to whatever color you want, spread, I'm going to choose 7, size 27, now select inner shadow, make sure blend mode is multiply, change the color, make opacity 75 and change the angle. I'm changing mine to about negative 52. Distance I'm going to leave at 4, choke at 0, and size at about 9. Now select drop shadow, make opacity 32, blend mode multiply, change the color, make the distance about 21, change the spread to about 18, and the size to 122. Now you're done with the blending options. All these settings depend on how big your image is and what you're using this effect on. But next, to make it look realistic, you're going to want to click the eraser tool. I'm going to choose the size of about 32 pixels, hardness 100, mode brush, opacity 100. You want to zoom in. And delete the parts where the line is going to go under his arm. Now change the opacity to about 20 and get the ends of the lines just to make them smooth. Now you should be done with this arm. And if you want to get another line in your image, you would just want to create a new layer. Select that layer and do the same thing over. Okay, now you want to select the line, right click on the end of the line, stroke path, brush, simulate pressure, right click that line again, click delete path. Now click on your layer 1, right click, click copy layer style, select layer 2, right click, and click paste layer style. Now click the eraser tool, change opacity to 100, zoom in, and erase where it's going to go under. Change the opacity of the eraser to about 20 now, and do the same thing over. Just smoothing out the edges of the lines. Now zoom out, and you are done with your image. I hope this tutorial helped you a lot. Remember to hit the like button and